Hey guys, it's Deepak here from Pearl Lemon Leads. Rebounty were able to book 15 plus meetings within a matter of weeks as a consequence of our work with them on the platform of LinkedIn, generating leads to such an extent that they offered us equity in the company and have already gone on to raise millions of dollars. So Rebounty are a Toronto-based recruitment tech firm that are revolutionizing the market, and what they really wanted was, as you can see, B2B leads. So the founder, he actually found us on Twitter, right? And you can kind of read this as I'm walking through. And the really part that I want to focus on was, there was the long form content part, and there was repurposing, but there's also driving LinkedIn lead generation on LinkedIn. So what we did in the case of Rebounty is we looked at target businesses that were in the Toronto community, with the end goal being to book coffee meetings with Rebounty's founder, who was in the middle of raising actual funding at that time. We wanted to connect with the startup community, connect with kind of fast growth companies to see if he could explore and build relationships with a view to get them onto his app as actual users that would then use Rebounty for their recruitment needs. So really, we proposed a framework that involved content, repurposing content, which is something that we do with viral LinkedIn status updates, but ultimately also driving lead generation on LinkedIn to get Rebounty into meetings. And I want to see if I can zoom in on this, because or even download it, in fact, as you can see. So we're just going to download it, and you can see there's 15 meetings organized within a matter of weeks, and here we go, fantastic. If I just zoom in on this, I'll show you what I mean. Hi Lawrence, I wanted to reach out to both based in Toronto and online space. I'm in the process of reinventing where recruitment is done. Want to jump on a call to swap notes. Just a very particular kind of actual messaging that really focuses upon opening up a conversation. Sounds interesting. I'm available in the afternoons mostly. Hi Dimmy, looks like a great app. How long have you been alive for? I'm around this week, Friday afternoon, for a call. Cheers, Tim. Then we got hi Dimmy, etc. Sure, we'll be happy to connect once I'm back. Sure, Dino. Happy to do a call. Reach out at hi, I'm free Friday. Hi Dimmy, nice to connect on LinkedIn. Pick a time over email. Sounds good. I can be reached at, and this really continued, honestly. I mean, these are some of the actual results that we got. So we got an incredible amount of ROI for Rebounty in the space of lead generation, and as you can see in terms of some of the feedback that we got with their entire team, just saw this is awesome. There's so much. I think we leverage content in lots of ways. Deepak, you're a gift. You've got a gift. Love it. And this is really just in the instance of some of the actual content, and I really wanted to point this out to you because we really want to make sure that we over-deliver and provide a particular level of quality with the work that we actually did. And interestingly, we went on to build them as being influencers within their space. 12k views on one answer, really relating to the space of referrals for job interviews. Rebounty have since gone on to offer Pearl Lemon equity and retainer in their company, and whilst Rebounty is no more, the relationship still lives on. And if you're looking to generate leads to the extent that we did for Rebounty, who ultimately went on to Shark Tank for a 5 million round, then they met one of the guys at Shark Tank, then we'd love to get involved and show you how we can deliver the same level of leads as we did for Rebounty. Alright, thanks guys.